Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ngut ki Khynnah Skul nari lom Jaiñtia ki lapau ha result Meghalaya Board of School Education jong ka examen secondary school living certificate balapan bena ha ka nyotre ku yayong. Na pedeng ki Ngut ki Khynnah ki balarung ha ka Thup top-20 arngut ki dei ki bana ka Skul North Liberty High Secondary School Jowai kan Thup ka Waimaya nong tudu lakyang ka balawan ha ka kerdan ka bapra badu aran dhar ha ka kerdan ka bakhat pra. Ki wei pat ki Khynnah ki long ka Jaiñtia pator naga Skul Sauling Do High Secondary School Mukayau kebelawan hak kerdan kebasan. Kalakmen nika chulet naga Skul Shangpung Presbyterian High Secondary School Shangpung kelawan hak kerdan kebashipho. Ka Shekinah Marbo naga Skul Saint Mazurulo Girls High Secondary School Jowai kebelawan hak kerdan kebakhat ar but u leading star Maria Lamin na Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Secondary School Lamin ulawan hak kerdan kebakhat kendai. Habayo banyak keren bad ki kat tu kat ne ki Khynnah ningkong kilapan pau ke jing kemen kabakrau ringkat ke jing aingu ya ublei. Kilapan pau ru ke jing snokmen hadien ke jing tray shitom ke jongki layo ban penmi ya uso ubat hiang. Baro kini ki Khynnah kila ai khublei kerpang ya ki nong hikai ki keme ki kpa bad ki bahayeng hasem ki badon barabor hasanda ha kani ke jing khun ke jongki.
This is a challenge for you to do better. Every year the result should be recording. So she may change the version, don't worry. Okay?
So, as I said before, it is first we have to put God first in everything, and pray to God before you start studying, and pray to Him that He will enable you to remember all that you have learned, and also to understand the tough parts. And also, as I said before, discipline really matters. So make sure you study every day, even though if it's little, even if you study little by little, day by day. And also, I encourage you to ask help from the teachers. Our teachers are willing to help. They work really hard to help students understand topics. So please don't hesitate to ask about your doubts and whatever you don't understand. So yeah, that's all for my part. Thank you.
Yang pi emก็จะขมัดดูต่อที่มายูรุตีพีนี่รู้สึกว่าเยอะพีกำว่าเปล่านี่สิ
แต่นังกงถ้าพอsedang negasi nudo sedang he ginong hikai em bet kita expectations kamu ongแต่ngale kuai o mot nudo dang chwa le de kuai o tang chwa tu mot snyao dang rap snyao impossible ite ye dang kadang he te ginong hikai le dang encourage bet ki kam tuแต่เว้ยอินี่ละอาร์สเนมกัมตูดิยอกินสกุรีตมดสยาวอินสไปร์ดองอาเดแต่กัมแต่มาแต่กัมตูมันจะทอ exam และแต่ด้วยเฮียบไลแต่ด้วยเฮียบไลแต่เดละเฮีย best กันไปอยู่และแต่กัมแต่แม่ปอยแม่มุดรชิต12 position งาเอางบอยชิกิ16 17 18 more 20และแต่ชิดเต็มนี้ตัว position ไว้มต่ออยู่ได้ฟอนกินสกอร์อังกีไปมาได้ congratulations ที่12 position แต่สแนวก็ไม่น่าเสียหมดนี่เดี๋ยวหมดตัวว่ากำแต่มอมอยู่ตัวที่ตัวหงเอาไปดังรับเขียนแต่เองก็อยู่ไล่แต่นักกองแต่หมดด้วยมาเองก็อยู่ไล่มาแม่อยู่ตัวกัดเชตสังปอยแต่มันเด็กกำแต่หมดกำแต่หมดมันว่าหมดที่พี่เอาหมดฮาร์วิสนี่บอยยี่หิวมันกำแต่segi top 20 tang mo inte bahai 12 position tumot kemen ha ingo apply the kam wada the result the ulai the science stream the ye wit command ye future the do decide when man the plus 12 kat che wa I calling yang apply che te yai the lai the science the duduk mut civil service la dan ni mut kat wa aman la kat coba the fit the bo hi apply yo uman the hete the ita dan hi am kam to mut kam the jo hi kam jo le hi you give my best in everything I without duk ule kat ni the mut man the best results the mut the biang hi kong tes nyawa portfolio apply wa MO the mut poi hi kat ni sang em por gi was now mod dus now down has now like my interest record come to mo tang mod ingo yo blai when open one hi biang with the interest yo record the mod kam te ingo yo blai em come to em por chat ro tang mod blai de em yu ga ta plan the mod through it all mod kam te chat mod ye hi all like exam despite he personal problem kejak health problem kejak tang ye hi all like exam ita wara credit gi choblai the 12 exam le the dwai hi the mod ma lem angi I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me the mod ngale snyaw yo blai hi wat how mod the glory all the glory to God
cái gì vẫn cái thông nhau
như vậy pa ông bị một mà the yogi gam tur koman cái một em pressure rồi mà khi ông một just give your best God will em le give your best work hard God will do the rest mà ông cho ông đi ngay lại gam tệ tăng nó score rap em thì một mà cái nông hi kai một ye với yogi score với cái nông hi kai anh đấy ông nông hi kai ông thì theo yogi tumut yogi to mut em potential la tumut ra push gina te push on bek kisek pen gamte pressure na skur te to be honest rap yo pressure hi untuk gam ne yung tang mut kemen wena wo pressure gina gamte to walum to wan ni to wo pressure ni gam tu empoi a cheni le yo motivation hi au record le te mut ingo hai ginong kaya le kam mo pressure in a good sense the company crackon the ngam em ong diong crackon the day made kya made the mut ye hi au yi the mut crack ba mostly they sngi ba crackon si kam tu khai thia the bi tu crackon the mut man kam breaks kam di cha bam ja kam tu the crab become today sngi the he made le chigi mut mem ong diong thia made ware the step le mut kam te mo ong but mostly the crab got he sngi be to made way step ways now to he kjam before the mut he sngi be everything wala le the mut kam te crab got the crab he got way got wa ong gino he kai mo gino he kai le the try you notes got way gi the try you batai the crab he nei te wa batai gino he kai the kam te the try you mut ho information nei tu nei tai le na online sources kam tu te hagus ni open crack te kam te man the exam le te mut mem ong diong thia me thia sni mut kam thi ong be exam te mi ta exam te rap high smart hi tang mut kam te
nang kong ingo sa balai boda em lang bro system no ado upa ni kathang te nang kong chwa yo result te emi te boda boda mo kong crash tam system te em be say te bo poi kat ikat u balai se một yo yo bhai te significantly speaking this achievement of mine reflect ko your hard work untuk yang tang yang borok di noi ke especially principal kata yang borok di kui rap ya rap nga ro sistem te kam te ik blay ye wi pa wi mo wi family yo te noi ke ye lok ro ki wa sport be ngai pat em be ku feel ko try ki wa em lang ba nga teដូចតែនេះឯងយកប្លាស់កុំក្រែងងាដែរយ៉ាងជិះដូចជិះស្នាមដែរងំតែមករាប់មិន consistent តាលីយដល់ក្រែងជាងតាជិះស្ងីដែរbienតែ in the last 3 months before the examination តែកំតែ the focus the concentrate ផាសតែ all year តែមកតែកំបីរាប់ enjoy like life យ៉ាង last year class តែកំតែសេមកไป enjoy ไปเคยกดลังเสหมดอย่าเป็นหลายปาระเลยแต่ in a have we not say like every day at least ตั้งชิกันตา like of pure concentration and understanding แต่ปนายี่มันน่ะ talk พี่ปนา questions ปนายี่ปนา demi แต่ก็ concept ที่ยี่พี่ talk นั่นซะยี่ก็ทำแต่มากัดโออยากติวไล่เสดังกาแต่embassy wa other boy ngi tip hadin kan snem pada kala ubla ko ngade wing noแต่ดังกาแต่ชนิเอาบลาเสแต่ the first message ko EP there mod if you do anything give it your 100% the mudur step em test le mod give it your all te ham e le de em 10% le mod te le e bet ki krebet kadang em bor pi te ne besa the second in the process of your becoming in whatever you want remember to be proud of yourself, love yourself and keep your loved ones around yourself. Your hobbies I like running jo ngamtai na do le sos nem like mo ngi ba nong record bet nga kam like my stress relief is like running kate nga interest ba yiga in computer and technology and all this machine learning and artificial intelligence kiwa like anything digitally kate I like to mainly sports running and hiking and going up
Tajuk Cimenta pergi sport skor.
Skor man because come like different distances now tadi the memory that compete skor I run like remember you compete run it for myself run your senior
Tak kamu dak libur.
Nangkong le like constrict and kadu ya gino kese một lon i kadu betai le một try siang to try grab that concept and all really homework le một try I try to do on my own with the explanation modul dalam siang to I do use the internet for like extra explanation and for better understanding
cái cả subject của was nhau ép happy hơn đi upper credit hơn đi exam
subjects are social because it's really vast and like go syllabus yang ka vast I say like you need to model siang tu le use siang tu but there are details that you have to kamu bisa like the dates the history the past the year it is rap
ik belajar ya belai de embat chui beda ni ya ai result ko bhala beda rap belai nya chau pa ai result le de dua ma da embat dia minta yo luti de kwa hi ya ite te de dua ya belai te mana dapat le te de yo sekiat beda sekiat wi kwa te ik belajar yo te wa ala ik belajar principal yang i de encourage bagi ulai kadu em menda down da modul feel down ni la de encourage bagi da push bagi to go full potential yang ima te kamjo yagi no hikai when get score kiwa de hikai yang nado class tani tak semangat dok class tani tak de hikai lai ni te ik boleh yagi Nah hikai na dok tani tat sado kelas 10 hi. Ki wada share ye knowledge yang ki nga. Wada yarap yang berok ki liang mau berok ki subjects la. De yarap ki da ye ki da e ki full mut ki de e ki ga kamu no. De e ki ga berok ka di em ki de e lut ki ta da the lut ki ding start yang ki berok. De e khule ye ki nah hikai la. Kam zo ye ki bai ki pa yang ki wada support yang wada em lang ba chiru nga. By my side ki em lang ba ki nga na dok dang khian na. De wat igi lock hara ale ki le manda feel down na encouragement na ki ndo de a dan kita terus dah senam de ku ai au ang be de ku ai au po chakmat ang de trai au pen krek kat vi ya roi bor yang kat de trai au pen krek kat vi ya yang po ya te ka thong go de ku ana de ang be de expect hi aga ya tang wo not au expect hado kat te ma tin ya disappointedแต่ตังว่ากับแต่ละมันได้กดแต่ดิพอดิย่อยไอ้ก็จะทองกว่าแต่ยิ่งเป็นใครyang ngawanมันอีว่าอมเบ็ดใครแต่กัดอีวิญเวลาadaใครไปอย่างนั้นแต่กัดวิมีปอร์วิญใครตังว่ากับแต่ละแม่องว่าไอ้วิญเลยไอ้กำชีวิตแหละ extra curricular แหละดังแหละตังว่าก็กดแหละดังไอ้กัดอีวิญซะกำตัวมันมุดให้ปอร์มันสกอร์แต่หมดปอยยุ่งแต่di charge nang terus si acibet por le ai siang kwa te nei te kre ko na do por banza te deb jale emi por kre at em ki por ngi singi em kre at ka te la chong ngi singi te men de chwa exam le am be de kre ko hi chi singi gam te tangwa deb di cha gam te terus si acibet por le habre si em kam hi terus na if em kam do wan to man consistent ai se throughout the year the year man consistent throughout the yearแต่ยี่แบบผิวเยอะเยอะกว่าพี่แค่ดูแอมเลยเล่นนึกก่อนงาองไปจี extra curricular แหละสิ่งบ้างหากี่แหละมันเอ็ม interest หาเดินรถดังเขียนเนาะอุปายองาเดจอยาแหละฟุตบอลลุงอาซะแต่ถ้าสกูลแหละเดจอยแหละสุดตัวอ่ะแต่ก็บอลก็วิ่งก็มันก็ side hobby ยองอ่ะเดี๋ยวรับก็ยังหมดเดี๋ยวจิงมันก็ยังมาแต่เล่นนึกฟุตบอลแหละงาเสียบ้างเอาทานเหรอแต่ก็แต่ละมันก็กำลังเป็นรีแลกซ์กับเบรนยังงามมันได้ครบกอดมันกันแบบละแต่ที่เยอะละเยอะละเยอะเท่าไรซะแต่ฮัสกูละบนกี่ extra curricular จะ participate เอากำกี่ exhibition แต่บนกี่จะอยู่ละฮัสกูละซะแต่กำพอละบอลยังฮัสกูฮัสบูโตแต่มันได้ job อีเซ่ฮัจวยแต่มัน job อินด้วยฮัจวยแต่ลายเยอะเอาลาย represent ยากา West Jaiñtia Hills ละฮะกา state level ชิลองfootball hado kelas 8 dele aga skor saya mot man nado dang khian hi le football la tang wa young skor hado kelas 8 dele a to wa de kwa au concentrate haga studies ma tang kat tele mem ong wa dam aga fully mende yo pora mende kam tu weekends dang la le ball hi a te kam ni dep exam le dang kam ni mende chong a hayung de la ya sa te mem ong wa dam hi wa daga tang wa mende kelas 8 mem dele a young skor tak wa ong baik kelas 9 kelas 10 tadi MK Hima yo fokus agak study sera yo ye hiu lab hala tang kat tele mem I aga sa continue bo avle ka kam ka side hobby agi subject te ka was nyao changing e te aga social ma ivi le tak wa man vas ha ka nang bon ha ga te ong baik art phau chapters tumut ve so topic nang economics history geography wa ga civics nang taman so topics ha ga wi aga subject the wow he wow was nang teman sejah hisau prepare way for exam le yo iga kamba one day ga ba ma te yo le de kan le krai wat ka chis nem le ma yo revise ye te roi wa krai pi man rap cheng e hisa te social te rap cheng e aga te cho te dang perkhat a mut yo hima de ka science hi tang wa dep nei te yo pa jan ma dang bon gilat ki tu gi em te kat ke lat ko vai nga vụ đầu bla yang ah te dekat te luci masa dau pa ji khmat kan em te kat te cho him cho dekat science
đầu lại pili
ya ga 11 12 te lai dia hai ni tang kat te la ukumu ba ga ni score go ba de nga right foundation yang ah tang 11 12 te blind art church nei sa
and my best wishes to all my colleagues, the teachers who work hard for the reputation of the school. It is the second time that the school bag in the merit list. Since in 1919 we back in the 5th position, and again this year 2026 in the 19th position. So it is a great laurel for the reputation of the school as well as the village as well. So my best wishes and gratitude to all my colleagues, each and every one of you. Due to you, you work hard, you spend your time to shape the life of the students. So, this year, Khynnah Skul, Jawa Memorial Secondary School, Kawanrang sa sisir ya kaburam jong katay ni barok away, haba iwe Khynnah Skul jongi ilapoy hakatong. Kumu headmaster jong school, kadai kejingkinan kabakraw, kabangamla ban modur, ngaladon kejingtrang, ngalong ikipara bayat trelang, mentaus nem kidon laingut ikan dia sekibannya kini. Iwe na pedeng jongki inpoy bek sekatong. Ngaingu yau belai bolos ngap kejing duai jonga, bah kajaran Ngut Memorial Secondary School sasisian kapau yang haka history jong ke embos. Langba a leading star Maria Lamin. So big congratulations. Let's give a big hand.
First of all, I would like to give you a good afternoon to everyone. Come to congratulate me. I'm very grateful for God's grace for bringing me to this point. For with Him, I've come to this point. I ranked the 19th position in the merit list. Secondly, I would like to give a big thank to my mother, who have accompanied me from my birth to where I'm at now. I'm very grateful for her because with her encouragement, I have got to this point and not fall in anything else. Thirdly, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Leading Star Maria. I ran 19th position in this 2026 Sslc examination. For this result, I am also very surprised. I will feel with happiness and excitement that I couldn't even shed a single tear. But deep down, I'm very happy. I'm very happy also for all the teachers who accompanied me from my childhood to where am I now, to class 10. I'm very grateful for them. I'm very grateful especially to my headmaster, headmistress, the teachers, staff, and also to my ex-teachers in my primary education. I'm very grateful for all of them for shaping me into this kind of person, one who never yielded. About this result, I feel very grateful and excited, happy. I'm also a little nervous. About this result, for how I come here, I had to experience many hardships. But even so, with the help of God, the blessings of my mother, teachers, and relatives, and also to my everyone who support me. I'm very grateful for the support for I am now here. Khynnah Jaiñtia ngan nyathu hok nadut dang skul ngapelut pon tik prang ta nya kendai kenta hadu ka selection da dep selection pat nga yalekahi badan school week I take break for 1 month at least for my better preparation for the examination. After that, I increased my study hours about 10 or 11, and 1 month for exam. I increased again about 12, 13. For this is very challenging for me because all my school years from classes 3 to class 9 I studied very little hours, not more than 5 hours. For this year, for this examination, I prepared very hard, and because I'm ngalatrang bang yo shisha top list. Nomor besar ngapre ha. That's it. Nani syang pat ngala perkat bah ngan leg dang science ngan shima science stream bang ngalatrang ban leg doctor ban leg medical. I'm very grateful for your support, so please support me from now on. Especially this is very challenging for me from now on, and the true start of life from now on. I hope that I will surely get my dream. That's all. Syapang Pakbor, based on all my experience, I think you should never give up. I also give up for my preparation. At least I have to take break a month. This is my selfishness because I also feel tired. But after the result, after the result selection, I also tried very hard because of my good marks. And now I get my ngalayo so papa. Syapang ngapapor, naitang away. Never give up, never yield to anything. That's all.
Once again, it's a big congratulations to Lady Maria Lamin. So, on behalf of the school, I must congratulate the headmaster. So, it is my second time during my tenure that the school back again in the top list. Since in 2019, we're back to 5th position, and again this year in 2026 in the merit list with a 19th position. So, the performance of the students, it increased every year, especially this year. The candidate to appear the Sslc 2026, 21 of them, 8 of them in the first division, secured with many subjects in distinction, 7 in second division, 1 in third division, and only 1 candidate failed. So, kumubudkan musuh jung school. Ngadap daga jing sokmen bat ngai ke jing ro parpang ya ublay bat khamtam yiki para nong hikai bagi junga. Kibal trish tam met bat mensim nado basdang hadu kani ke khilman. The session kani ke cooperation jongpi. Ka ai mensim nga kum headmaster bat kumju yaki kimikipa bat yaki Khynnah school hi baro. The session nation yang nak kaburam jang school. Ngai kublay kerpang yaki kimikipa baro. Kibadan naki bapuli ha kana school jangi. To nang syakri nang yatray bat ni ke school. Khnang basisin yawanra ya uso jang jing job kaburam jang sinong bat kathany hi baro. So big congratulations Joran Nehru Memorial Secondary School.
Udah ya upay hagani ka benta. The hanengkong the man em yang ngai agi to wam em nong uyolti tangwa marsin kam tewat hadin kat tu kat ni the dis nyang ngai aka the da am tewat dis nyang uyoblai kiwa hayong asam kam tam le gino hikai wada yarap kianga da imsin genga wada mjo ekinga wala ikikap em ga artiteno ki da yarap ki wanga da pisnyang thok genga wat hadu wato wa
nagani ka wa yarap ki nga da ye bha o lai jing mot u snyao thop hai ke te kot o de ye la o thop hai exam yo nga kong de ka puno se yu he da wa
people credit
to hai nang kong te kat wo to wa da ngala ki ye ko kom to exam da ngi u tho cho banai January February te hai nang kong te kam te wat rap ye ka tlang te wei ko wi le ye ka ni ka exam nara pen pheri ka ngi wi exam nong de pukala patan gi khajiak te hai te wat te rap nia u snyao tho bhan ne ngam yu lu bha ke te ka kot asla yu ye pha yu tho the exam social science
ye bi khana hai wan ru kom snya chem sa ja jar
wo to ha ka social science bon jat ki te ki facts ki snam ki pertut bru kam no lai tre kam ngani ka parthai aga yang economics ke history woga civics te upang kre anai to lower stang snam he to kam te wat men am uman strict ra te rutin yonga kre o kat ubyang por hi thi o ubyang por hi man am nge pat mit ra du kat te hi wat te kam jo hi kre kot te man tang warap pelai jing mun o snyao tho o du yilu pha man yu tip sap o la kan jing li kat kan le yu ye pha o snyao tho ki tho ba hai ki
te
pun ki wa support to wa ai jing support nai to wo ro ki di rap lem gi nga te kam te wat urok kelum hi ye ru jet ruam tu please come to drawing the sketch black and white wa I antai thau chna kende wa absurd ka stream te u hem by order science tang ye ka thong te am rai pha wa te ha score te man am school weeks man ha o hem ben ta ha ka essay ka extempore speech ka quiz wa ka debate jo mi khmat yo kam tu che ki block of district
jo job
chi sin the job yo ha block no tang ha district ha ho le yo faction nong ki khana gat ni man ha ka em ka te ka jing bakla yong ki man am u ngam ye lo bha gi man de le bakla gi de e ki nong snyao tho ba ki ong ke ni ki jing bakla yong phi to ki lat ki lu ti u ye phi open bhail de open miat yel de te so ko wi le ngakwa o ki na skor usliang gi uthrang gi ye ka te ka ni ka jing nang ji start to wa ulai skor ka ni man go kam ka te ka wat lai tang dap e tengah kwa oi kila usliang ni kam usliang oi jing ikan ni ka jingnang jing start khanang bha yu ye I uman bru dewa miat dewa sok hani perthai te hakat te man chin am waram chin ye o ye gi notes kan hai kai to ki du kha chu kha jiak ye gi pen biang tengah de hem lang o bon la textbook he te hem mo kha jiak lyong ke am hi gi notes pachna danga le te kam te wat pen lai jing mot abun ha textbook wa hi jing thoi nga hi
ke internet pen am kam pi
open am kam o khaja nang kong de jo pen dap khi chu yong irap o be pa da dini te the record hi o dap the record de bam jamit the crash ke chiek dap lai thi kam te wat jo pai mit ra o am wara hi u onish tu pen dap khi o yong te purei kot ante ngom tu em thai thau le kan ta em thai thau san kan ta
man ka sngi te ma do ajan for exam me te
man ha ga chi ti yaw kam te se em thai thau le kan ta em thai thau san kan ta
okay first and foremost I give all the glory to God that yet again our school has been able to perform well in the SSLC exam this year, and we know that all things work for the good of those who love Him, and I'm very sure that the school and our students, they all love God, and God has created this space for them to celebrate the success of their hard work. As we were waiting for the results to come today, we were all kind of nervous. Students, teachers, in fact the principal as well, because this year has been a year where the question pattern has been changed a little from what it was in the past. However, we are very glad that in spite of that, the children have been able to adapt to the new system of, or the new pattern of questioning. And I hope that in the years to come, they'll be well versed and very much aware of the new system of evaluation, new pattern of question papers, which is slowly being brought in line with the Central Board of School Education. So this year we had a total of 113 students. In fact, after the students had finished their, I won't say selection, because we don't select students, we send all our students to appear for their exams. I would like to say maybe their annual exam or their pre-board exam. Then when all the students entered their exam forms, we found out that the number was 113 students. So some teachers had their reservations about the number 13. But however, we believe that when the children work hard, numbers don't matter. All our 113 students cleared their exams, and the happiness that I get is to know that our sports students who went and represented the state of Meghalaya in Delhi, they had missed a lot of classes this year, but none of them failed, they all passed. So I would like to give God all the glory, thank all the teachers, and in fact I would like to speak in our local language, Benar. Ingo Yuvlai, Tregenrat, would ever cut winning score, would ever cut we cannot score. We ngasnia ogani score man go kamu man go, ne baha emi ginong hikai, kiu krech tom, wem to du krech tom gi, kiu mayale igini score. The ne baha wa krech tom we mayai igini score, yo ig result kumiat na isnam sikisnam. The kini klimat result nusnem man go gomiat, yo ar Ngut ki Khynnah go poi the top 20 position, the 8th position ka way maya nong tru lakyang, the yo ko the 8th position, we dap adis nyau kemen, wa darak go go burom, mto du ye skur ne go yung go yung ka, we ke chnong jwai go ni. Way maya dam nyau pair go Khynnah bi, ado chong last 8 go to football player. Kada represent ko yung not liberty ke sebruto cup state level. Tahdir no kelas 8, temem di level ko. Tahu Khynnah pi ke sports le yarap ko, open clan ni ke jubin yang Khynnah. Tas yang kemen go win ni football players yang ke not liberty team. Boy ke hadu yo ke top 10 position, ke 8th position yang ke board exam yang nusnem. So siap komen, okay, 18th position, we have none other than Aaron Dahar. Aaron Dahar to Khynnah school le, kam gue maya kudu kini school na do dang kian gi. Pernah to do dang kian. We kewara cu ke jing kemen nga to Aaron Dahar to kon yang gue no hikai yang kini school. Ke Madam Anu Dahar te apply sekiat kerku ye ga family yang Madam Anu no hikai yang di school, we ngangai scam wa, we borong wa ran ni ke school we yung yang momta do ni, we cekmat dangbon ki por ki ora borong we yung ke sem we ke school. Yang ni snem lagi cispa kan legut ki Khynnah, nyau pau kan dengut ki Khynnah wan ge ke first division, which is very good. I always mention that a normal school is a school that have students performing at the top, students performing in the middle, and should not miss out the ones who are below. But the joy that we get is that we pull everyone together. Kitu rap klan le tan langgi go telok. Nawi go school em dugir so yet it's not a normal school. A normal school should have different colors of a garden. When we have a garden, we have different flowers. So the beauty of the garden is not having the same color of flowers, but having different colors. And I'm so glad that North Liberty this year, of course, we have more of the first division color. We have 79 out of 113. But however, we also have 32 second divisioners, and not to forget, we have 2 third divisioners. So this is a very good and very colorful result, which we can't ask. It was given to us by God the Father. And in English, we have 38 distinctions in English. In maths, we have 31 distinctions. In science, we have 35 distinctions. In social science, we have 10 distinctions. Health education and computers combined, we have 47 distinctions. Additional English and Khasi combined, we have 45 distinctions. What more to ask? If you take an average, every student gets a distinction. In fact, if we take the average, every student gets a little more than 1 distinction in this exam. Bringing more joy and happiness to us is our students also managed to get the highest marks in some of the subjects of their exams. In maths, Waimaya got the highest mark in the whole of Meghalaya. In science, Arandhar got the highest in the whole of Meghalaya. And in health education, we have 3 students who got the highest mark in the state of Meghalaya. That is Rihanna, Teresa Suna, Safina Sari, and Waimaya Nongtudu Lakyang. So, to cut a long story short, this was such a wonderful exam, wonderful result. We can't ask for more. Thank you, Lord, for your blessings upon us. Once again, I take this privilege to thank every teacher of the school, every staff, non-teaching staff of the school, every driver, every handyman, every janitor of the school. It is a collective work. The team has delivered, and I believe that this will motivate our juniors to perform well in the coming year. So I pray to God that God be with this school, guide us, and may at all times remember that God is always with us when we are close to Him. So my prayer is that may God be with this school, may God guide this school, and may humility be in the hearts of the teachers, the principal, and the governing body, remembering that we can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. So with these few words, I thank the media who are always there. Every year I get to meet you, and I pray to God that as long as I'm still the principal, I wish to meet you every year for the rest of my life. Thank you, Kublai Chibon, Chia Jarmo, and Mithala to my friends in Garo Hills. I thank God that God has been with us and all the teachers. The school had 11 students this year who appeared for the matric exam. And beautiful story is that of the 11, 9 of them were placed in the first division and 2 of them in the second division. So they had a 100% pass. And in fact, the topper of the school this year from David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School got 86% and distinctions in every subject. And I take this time to congratulate her for being the topper of David and Lois School, and I believe that God will bless her and her classmates in their future endeavors. So with these few words, I once again thank all the parents of David and Lois Rees Memorial Secondary School, all the teachers, all the villages which are surrounding the school from where our students come. I thank all the non-teaching staffs who have worked tirelessly to make this result possible. So once again, may God bless David and Lois School, and I hope that in the future they will also bring laurels and glory to their school, their area, our district, and the state as a whole. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Sebelah untuk memang belah di kamar mandi ngasnya mau ke jengkerku belah ke Muslim yang hausnya mah jarak buku kan yang ada yang betok tu te hakan ke senam le kan ke kan kado yang ada yang ya ka top 5 te katkam ke jingyol ti yang katkam ke performance yang ka kerpong rekor yang ka một ngarang scam bayo uyi gule bha tang katil nang artin bu poi ko chakatong tu gi bekre yang ka biang iki njong ye ukulam jong ye wang ye ka detik ku ye kamera yang ka leng ba kejeng ye mesin yang iki be iki pa leng ba kejeng ya luti ki pu para yang ka ku lai sakmat leng ba kejeng kersian yang kinong hika yang iwar ro ku de iki met mesin ho ye rap ka em won kam kaman be kwa o e swi tuan kaman be wa kam iki man be hoi pendo lat iki khon kam iki man be em kam gi pai usli iki khon gi tore pu thi yong ki man hoi u chane i du ki no hai kai i le am ti ko em bor u rap ki u pen slor ki wa u bo ki le ka pusti mod ba man hoi pendo lat pendo ti ki u sakri ki ti ka jat u pai usli ki man kusni
Ini dia semua mulai naik bentah kini kijing keku, na du kekon mengkong, wa ar wa lei wa so wa gani wa sam, kat kamar kena aga bentu biti kijing keku boda cerkai tu mulai, tiye nenga dadam ni kam yang tu yang ika kam kekon kian, aga sungyut so yang ka, lekat cuman le, lekat ho man uyok le muda hunu yang languka. Hal dah hikmen le hikmen languka hal dah kadman le mudu em ka dari yang nei tu em languka kamu dah kesani ka ki por dem te ye ti jo yo kada em mudu yo u konsentrang khen udah bio kamu kena bentu te em kecak ketika jeng yolti wa mong hai iju hule yang ka hapo kisnya meleman go warap korap kit khia em ketika jeng responsible nei benta yang ka pura betul yang ka em kejeng yolti belum malah dan rei ong na hadu ko ni ka kedan gosan em yolti kat upsi ketika top 20 boy upsi dan rei kejeng kerku yang belai kamu tenai here hap ko yung sam yongi te yo ketika gosan te yang i kamu yung sam yang ngui le iki no hikai ki staff yang wa sondo ayas kondis ko mo yau Wada do yapki hagu upen psia iti iu emaki sekani khonyong iu poi ku sekani benta yoro ginong tre yang solondo hayas kani mo yaw da berjisongo untuk lembah yang kita ni ye gini khon yo ye gini ga nam ku brom kamjo le wanra wi brom ye ga skul ye ga chanong ga thau he ro ui ti yoluti lembah ka jing kre chitom yang kinong hikai Hagis ngi yo wan le nang mi chok kena na gani skur jo wan ra burom ya ga skur kam jo le ya ga chnong ga thau kham tam ya ga yung ga sem yo ki yiki smet to yolti wa ki kena tu em hagani juk utrang gi ya ga jing na start kam ong ni kon te kam jo le u em gi kete jing klet le kete responsibility nei benta kalau we ga ki bun snga jo ong i khono ken cheu kat ni nei benta kamen red men go wi te kulis bol
ante ha saundo but kumno bio I ya ka performance yang I ha pajing puli puti ketika skul
to nang kong ek nai play yang play trai kendrat barang ba ga jing ri skumar ko jong o ni la long kumne menta ko mangilo ai play ro ye phi lang ba jong phi la ban priang ne kana bor ma lawan sane presibun ne te halon ka jing I jonga ijeni Taiwan school jini ha class 9 magina te tang ke secondary bahaya iwan class 9 te nadu class 9 nadu bai wan nang kong hang te hi khamtam ha subject jonga ha jing khen ngayo I ba ide Khynnah I ba smart ba but I don't get interest ke ba compare na ko I Khynnah kan te bat ka wei ngan ban ong ka jong phi ba im ju pep ka mo ka ngai mo manga ka mathematics I don't lang ne kala klini im ju pep bandam ban thop I pentak baik para khoi ki mo ki banganga ngai adu kelas 9 adu kelas 10 ru te banong ta jingkerman bangan du jingkerman bi in yo kam dana max ta kam don bre ngadon ni tang ba mentar itu tang simak yo kenal kundai tang I ba hakiwe ki subject ro kaju ki science based subject barabor iwan ban kili bin ngene hikaya po staff room te idai ba 3 minute idai Khynnah iba jai bedon keburang ke akor bebut disiplin ke school but ngelai kme denti ba in long ne kan ngelai kme denti ko bar khot ye kino hikai ku dan to staff room ijuan kli be la idon kawai ke bakam pair na kiwai long I ju clear be fi kadau baron kano ka daw hakiwai subject ru kala long akro no kom ijuan be ban clear ka daw chini Kena school mo, kiwai activities, co-curricular activities, example speech debate kena kita, mana kena yang penlek, manusia mesti penlek, mai iwan bisa kemar, iyo bisa kemar kan, kat kebanyakan sebentar, iyo mai kena lagi bun harga price iyo demi ilek kan debate, iyo example speech iyo, entah kat baik iyo baik price.
Lah kata kadang.
Kalau don ni kibaya, le isar cuma chat kisah saya don ni kibaya, ni le sebaru. Don ketua dengan iyo ni sebaru. Sebaru in the po Johai district level. State level I think empat daerah entah ini entah. School ni, kayaknya ada menongkum ni. Long nya baru kuat dia tangga school ni, to the whole state of Meghalaya kan. Baik, ngayu I bakane kampung kena kerja pemerintah. Kebun sini kena kenong kendong ki kuah benlek sasor. Kumbang I mentah bakane kerja mentah pada ni I ba ki kena anu kendong kila bah benlek kan. Te nawang ke badan kam kemade kalong kena to yang triston. Nang ta don la ka jong ka thong nang ta ji im jong phi. Te sab ke no hikai nang ta kita kano ka jing e ko kidon. Ndai bin sukun hala jong. Na kinong kai Apa orang subjek salit dan clarify ke dalam jom.